So welcome to chapter 11, where we dive into the fascinating world of integrative negotiation. Now, you might be wondering, what sets this apart from other types of negotiation? Well, if distributive negotiation is like dividing a pie, so integrative negotiation is about finding ways to make that pie bigger. So now, let's break down what you'll be adding to our toolkit today. So first up, how to identify shared interests and craft solution. Next, we dive into how to take the perspective of the counterpart. This is like trying to understand their needs, their wants, and fears. And finally, we explore how to make multiple offers. Right, so to get the most out of our sections on integrative negotiation, we've broken it down into 3 objectives. So number 1 is the concept of the integrative negotiation. And number 2, in here, we know that the sides of win-win potential. So in this one, we'll look at how to spot the opportunities where everyone can work away happily. And number 3, developing a strategic framework. No great negotiation happens by accident. In this final section, we build a strategic approach that will have you apply these concepts in real-world scenarios. So now, let's kick off our deep dive into integrative negotiation. This is where the magic happens. When negotiation isn't just a battle over who gets the biggest slice, but a collaborative effort to make sure the whole pie gets bigger. Now, let's zoom in on the bargaining zone, a critical concept in integrative negotiations. So in this zone, negotiation isn't about one side winning and the others losing. It's about collaboration. So both parties come to the table with their needs, their goals, and priority. And they work together to find a middle ground where both can achieve their objective. Now, let's talk about something that can derail even best-laid negotiation plans: faulty perception. Faulty perception occurs when you misinterpret signal, overestimate your leverage, or underestimate the other party needs. There are 4 fundamental beliefs that the negotiator can fall into these traps if they're not careful. Number 1, compromise. Some people think that if both sides give up a little, it's a win-win. But sometimes both sides could get more if they work together differently. And number 2, we talk about even split. So splitting things 50-50 might seem fair, but it doesn't always mean both sides are happy. One person may need something more than the others. And number 3, we got satisfactions. So just because both sides feel okay with the outcome doesn't mean they got the best deal. There might be a better solution that makes everyone even happier. And number 4, building relationships. Wow. So it's good to keep a positive relationship, but if you too focus on being nice, you might miss out on finding the best deal for both sides. All right, so let's do a quick matching exercise to reinforce these steps we just discussed. So all you need to do, you have to match each statement on the left with the appropriate action on the right. Please pause this video for 2 minutes and finish this exercise quickly. This is just a piece of cake. All right, 3, 2, 1. Now, let's check our answer. How about number 1? What do you got? So the 2 companies decided to split the profits 50-50, thinking this would be the fairest solution. So this is called even split. How about number 2? Read it carefully and tell me what you got. So number 2, go with C, building a relationship. As we can see, both parties, have to maintain a good relationship at the end of the negotiation. How about number 3, everyone? Come on. Right, so number 3, we'll go with the satisfaction. It is one of the faulty perception that you know that one. And how about number 4? Absolutely we got B, compromise. The company agreed to the deal because they left satisfied, even though they didn't explore all their options. Now, in this slide, we are going to highlight 4 key signs that indicate the win-win potential in a negotiation. Recognizing these signs can help you identify opportunity to create the mutual beneficial outcomes. So there are several questions that can help you to identify the side of win-win. So for number 1, does the negotiation contain more than one issue? More issue mean more chances to find a solution that works for everyone. Number 2, can other issues be brought in? Sometimes bringing in new topics can help you find a solution that both sides like. Number 3, we got, can we make side deals? So side deals are smaller agreements that can help solve the bigger negotiation. And number 4, do the parties have different preferences across negotiation issue? If each side values different things, it's easier to find a solution where both sides get what they really want. Alright, so now we got the case study. Your task is to think critically about this scenario and identify other ways both sides can achieve their goals. What other win-win opportunity might be hidden here? Please jot down your thoughts and answer on the M-Learning so we can discuss them further in our sections. So, we just have learned the first section of chapter number 11 with sides of win-win potential in integrative negotiation. In the next video, we will know about some of the most common pie expanding errors and a strategic framework.